Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are back with formal letter writing example number 3. The first one we have done with the format, and this is the second one we have done in the next video, and this is the third one. Write an application to the principal of your school for the regular opening of the library and purchase of some new books. Okay, you are writing an application to the principal of your school. Why? Because you want the school library opening regularly and some new books to be purchased. Okay, this is the reason and of your writing the letter. Okay, let's see what it says. The principal, ABC School, Karachi, respected madam. Subject, request letter for introduction of more books in the library. Okay, now the body is, I want to say that the books in the school library are of the older edition and it has become very necessary to upgrade the collection. We need to upgrade the collection. We need to buy some more books because they are all from the older edition. The fiction means the storybooks, and non-fiction means the factual books. Both the section of the library are having lesser number of books. Multiple other students means more or other students, many other students have also raised the issue. They have also told the librarian, showed this problem or discussed this problem to the librarian. Moreover, the addition will help us to be forward in the debate and speech competition. If we are going to buy some more books, then definitely they will be helpful for us to be better in debate and speech competitions. Okay, we have devised a list of important books that are interesting and helping. This means the list is also made, which is having the names of the book which are required in the library. It would also be helpful if you could ensure regular opening of the library. Now the second part is the regular opening of the library. Therefore, I request you kindly to take an effective action over the issue. Effective action means some action that will definitely be followed. Okay, I hope you will help developing the library for the scholars of this institution. Scholars means the students of this institution, means the school student is the institution. Okay, thank you. Yours obediently. Then the name is given and the class is also given. Hope you have understood how to write. Please write on the same topic in your own words in your copy. Allah Hafiz.